Hey guys, so some of you had expressed interest in this a while back, and at the time I didn't have the right filming set up to do it, but now I do. So today I'm going to show you how I make earrings. So the first thing you're going to need is a couple of pair of needle nose pliers. You can buy these pretty much everywhere. I got there was one pair I've had like for many years in my toolbox, and the other pair I bought at either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I forget now which place I got it, but they're very easy to find anyway. And the other things that you're gonna need is you're gonna need some jump rings. I have silver ones because I like silver jewelry. Now be careful because there's different kinds of these. There's regular ones and there's split ones. You don't want the split ones because they're almost impossible to get open. As a matter of fact, I think you need a special kind of pliers to open those. So just get the regular jump rings, and so you can get those also at either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They should both have them. I get silver because I like silver jewelry. And then these are the fixtures that I get. Now, I make clip-on earrings because I let my holes in my ears from having them pierced, I let those close up a long time ago because I was sick and tired of getting infections. I'm very sensitive to jewelry, and these fixtures are rhodium. Rhodium is a metal that almost no one is allergic to. I suppose it's not impossible, but I haven't had any problems with this. This is a very non-reactive metal to people who have problems with ear infections. And this isn't going to be going like in my ear anyway. It's just going to be clipping on my ear, but I don't get any kind of a reaction from it. So you can get this in silver or gold, whichever you like. Now I just went to Michael's and I got these charms that I'm going to turn into earrings. And this is the yin yang symbol, and this is also the symbol for my Animal Crossing island, which is called Harmony. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to remove them from the card that they were on. Actually, I'm going to do that off camera because I'm going to need a knife or something. Okay, so I just got a knife just to get that Scotch tape off the back. And then just, you know, remove the twist tie and take the twist tie off the charm. This is really simple, you guys. Anybody can do this. This would even be something you could do with your kids as long as they're not little kids. Okay, so like here's one of the charms, right? So I don't want this clasp thing on here because that's what you would use to put it on a charm bracelet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a hold of the jump ring that's on here, and with my other pair of tweezers I'm going to twist it to open it. Okay, and then I should be able to just slip the claw off. This is all a little awkward, but yeah, you get the hang of it after a while. So you're going to grab one of your earring fixtures, and then you're going to put this just hang it on the earring fixture part, and then you're going to reposition your pliers and you're going to twist it back the other way. Now my close-up vision is not that good, so I'm gonna have to get, I wear like this head magnifier thing so I can see better. My husband bought this for me. It's a magnifying glass that has a head thing on it so that my hands will be free because I can't hold a magnifying glass if I'm, you know, doing this. So, all right, so I just popped that on my head, and now I'm gonna pick this up, back up, and put it through what I just showed you before, and I'm gonna twist this, and now I'm gonna just kind of push it from both sides to close that O-ring. Now there's also an O-ring on the fixture that has to be closed, so you're going to want to close that by just closing the gap so that it can't fall off. Now I find that this works better if there's two O-rings. It like hangs better, jump rings, O-rings, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to take another O-ring and just twist it to open it. And I'm going to set that down for a minute because now I'm going to have to open up that other O-ring again to add it on there. So it's better if you do this all at once because you don't want to open and close these too many times because it could break. So I'm going to add that O-ring on. And then close it back up. Oh God, I'm praying to God that my phone does not ring because somebody was trying to get in touch with me earlier and I called them back and then they didn't answer their phone, and I'm so tired of playing phone tag with people. All right, so that O-ring is closed. So now I can put that second O-ring through that O-ring, okay? And now I gotta put my charm on there. Now, you wanna make sure you put it going in the right direction. And how do you know what direction it goes in? You're gonna look at the earring clip and figure out which direction this is gonna be. Okay, so this is gonna be on my, oh, I dropped it. Oh no. There it is. This is going to be on my ear like this. So that's the front, this piece here. So I want it to hang this way so that the charm will be forward. I hope what I'm saying is making sense. So I'm going to close that jump ring just by grabbing a hold of each side and twisting. Sounds more complicated than it really is, you guys. But what's so much fun about this is, you know, you can customize the jewelry to be what you want it to be. Okay, so now let's make sure I did this correctly. So I've got 2 jump rings on there now. And yeah, that's the front right there, and that's the back of the earring. So it'll hang nicely that way. If you don't use 2 O-rings, it doesn't seem to hang nice. So usually the charm will come with 1, and then you can just add a second one on. So that's how I make earrings, just by buying things from Hobby Lobby or Michaels. Any questions, let me know.